Good evening, my friends, and hello from Epic Universe. I am here to experience the brand new nighttime firework display, Celestial Goodnight, and this is offered every single night. I am really excited because this park deserves a phenomenal nighttime entertainment show, and that is what we are going to get starting today on July 7th, 2026. And then we also have to talk about Universal dropped some really big news. They are now going to be offering an all new after hours event inside of Epic Universe. That's going to include a few really good perks. And on top of that, you just get to experience the park at nighttime, and that's where this park really shines. Anyway, let's not waste any more time. I do want to say a massive thank you to Universal for inviting me out to this event, and thank you for being here. I hope you guys are ready because I am. Let's go do this. All right, and here we are about to enter Epic Universe. And I have to admit, this is my first time arriving to this park this late. So the big news I was talking about at the beginning of this video, Universal just dropped some brand new information about Universal Nights at Epic Universe happening on October 3rd and October 17th. This allows guests to experience Epic Universe in a whole new way as they enjoy nighttime access to the park, including attractions, entertainment, character interactions, and much more, as well as included snacks and beverages. Universal Nights runs from 9 p.m. until midnight on the event dates, but guests can arrive as early as 7 p.m. to enjoy the park, including Celestial Goodnight, which we're about to see tonight before the event officially begins. Tickets go on sale on August 13th, and they start at $179. My personal opinion, I am loving this. It's about time. I've always said since the first time I stepped foot inside of this park that Epic Universe needs a special ticketed nighttime event, and we are finally getting one. This is not Orlando Informer. This is all through Universal. $180, yes, it's expensive, but you're paying for convenience. And, you know, it's not that much more than a day ticket, but then again, you know, you're only here at Universal Nights for what, 3 hours, but you can enter the park starting at 7. So I'm all for it just because like you can experience this park and not be hot in the heat and humidity during the day. You can actually enjoy the park at nighttime. And as I've always said, this park just shines at nighttime. Okay, I am all checked in. You know, at these media events, it's always so fun because you just get to network. It feels like a reunion. You're around your other creator friends, and it's always a blast. And away we go. Also, we are going to be getting a beautiful sunset this evening.
Universal Celestial Goodnight.
Yes. Quickly looking at the wait time, Stardust 25 minutes, Monsters Unchained 10 minutes, Battle at the Ministry 90. Okay. It's 8:30 right now. Park closes in 30 minutes. Hiccups 40. Meet Toothless 30. Bowser's Challenge 30. Minecart Madness 55. It's always interesting seeing the wait times because they change like almost every day, if not every week, just depending on the time of the year you're here. But I'm surprised Battle at the Ministry is still so high with 30 minutes left. I turned down my exposure just to show you what the sky is looking like. Man, you gotta love Florida sunsets. There goes Stardust Racers. You can find these signs throughout the park pointing you in the right direction to view the show. I made a stop here at Meteor Astro Pub because there's 2 new shakes that debuted today. I believe there's a new quick service window somewhere. I'm gonna find it. Okay, so that's the front entrance of the Astro Pub, and here's the brand new quick service window that just opened today, and you can only order the shakes through the Universal Orlando app via mobile order. Here I am on the app. I am just going to press satellite shakes to place my order. Here's what they have. I am definitely ordering Captain Cacao's Starlight Voyage for $13.99. They also have this strawberry shortcake and the Stargazer cookie butter shake as well. Ooh, I'm excited for this one. Look at everything. Blackberry syrup. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, the lagoon is jam-packed. And then we have the beautiful Helios Grand. And don't forget, if you have a park view room or if you go visit Bar Helios, you can view the show from the Helios Grand. Just a freaking beautiful park, isn't it? This is so pretty. I watched the team members make this, and a lot of love and energy and time went into this. I mean, this looks delicious. Like the Captain Cacao hat and the glitter on top right there. All right, let's go ahead and give it a try. I could smell the chocolate scent from this shake. Like, it's very heavy on the chocolate flavor and the scent. Let's see here. Whoa, that is delicious. This is a wonderful treat, especially because it's so hot. Very heavy on the chocolate taste. I can also taste some blackberry in there because I've heard Captain Cacao, he tastes like blackberry. Really good. And it's like, it's not cheap chocolate. Like, this tastes very like elegant chocolate like you would get from a ganachery, which there's a ganachery right over here at the front that's run by Captain Cacao. Very good. I like this addition. Now let's go get our spot for the fireworks. I'm also getting some crunchiness, like nutty flavor. I'm also tasting some marshmallow. It's like the further I get into this, the better it tastes. I got our spot, and it's nice because I don't have to show up super early because I'm so tall. So I can just, point the camera up and still have a really good view. I guess this is one of the best perks about being tall.
Greetings, travelers. The time has come for the chronos to align. Across the cosmos, the energy of every portal will soon ignite, channeling the power of the stars as Universal Epic Universe bids you a celestial goodnight.
Do you see the Helios right there?
Of power-ups and jungle adventures. Traveled through time using your wizarding magic. Stood face to face with monsters and darkness. And soared beyond the clouds with dragons. Now, Celestial Park invites you to a final celebration of these epic worlds. Here we go! Goosebumps. See you now. Brace yourselves and witness my masterpiece.
What a finale.
May the fond memories of your explorations live on in the stars above and within you. Until the next epic journey calls you back, farewell and good night.
That show was phenomenal. I mean, just the fireworks alone really made Celestial Goodnight really just stand out. And the fact that we finally have an official nighttime show here at Epic Universe. It's great. You know, this was much needed. It was long overdue. And I love how they add the different, you know, music from the 5 portals. And I think my favorite was the How to Train Your Dragon section and also the Monsters section. That was really cool. But what a finale. I mean, that was a loud, bright finale. And again, this is offered every single night you visit Epic Universe. And something else I just found out, if you are staying at the Helios Grand, you can turn to a certain channel and they will put the audio on your TV so you can hear it and watch it from your room, no matter if it's facing the park or not. You can pipe in that audio, so that is something else to keep in mind. And also another really good perk, if you're staying at the Helios Grand and maybe you're not visiting the park for the day, you can still get that, you know, factor of seeing the fireworks and hearing it as well. But it was great. It was really good. The park is now officially closed. I definitely wish I had more time here, but you know, it is what it is. I'm very thankful to be here tonight. And, you know, just like I was saying earlier, being at these events, it just feels like a fun family reunion when you're around your other creator friends. And, you know, you're also getting to network with the Universal team and just other, you know, news outlets and things like that. Got to talk about the agency a bit. It was just really fun. I hate to leave because I could be in this park all day, but I can see us coming back here for a day visit here very, very soon. I'm passing by Pizza Moon right now, and it's calling my name. Unfortunately, it's closed. I'm making my way to the front of the park, but I wanted to give you a quick update on the event space building. It has went vertical, as we see right there. They're actually back there working as I speak. For $25, you can get this Captain Cacao shoulder plushie. They also have a lug bag as well. They have this Isle of Burke mystery candy box with a trading card. Bless you. Until we meet again, Epic Universe, as always, it's been an epic day. Or should I say an epic night. Yeah, that is all that I have for you in today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, it's just a pleasure getting to make a new video for you. Don't you worry, I have quite a lot of content coming up. I am hoping to do some traveling here very soon. I just need to finish some work, and then hopefully I'll be able to travel for a few days. So stay tuned. And you know, none of this would be possible without each and every one of you and all of my amazing clients that book their vacation through Key Getaway. So you guys rock. I know the world is weird right now. Just know you're loved, and you know, you'll get through it. And I just met a lot of you today who always will tell me how long you've been watching the channel for and just hear a little bit about your life story. So, you know, just keep your head up. Good things will come, I promise. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help out the channel in so many different ways. I love you guys so much. Please remember, it's nice to be nice on YouTube. I will see you very soon in the next video. Stay safe. I'm out.
I am feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes?